This is a SolidWorks assembly file. It combines multiple parts into one machine. Note you need all the reference part files in the same folder for this to open correctly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's use eDrawings to view it. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for SLDASM files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. A SLDASM file is a 3D assembly file created by SolidWorks, a popular CAD, computer-aided design, software. It contains the arrangement and relationships of multiple part files, SLDPRT, to form a complete product or system. The assembly file defines how these parts fit together and move relative to each other. The SLDASM file format stores information about the position, orientation, and constraints of individual part files within the assembly. It does not contain the actual 3D geometry of the parts themselves, but rather references the SLDPRT files. This allows for efficient management of complex designs and facilitates modifications to individual parts without affecting the overall assembly structure. The SLDASM proprietary design mandates association with Autodesk Fusion 360 from Autodesk, Inc. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can't display their full structure, so you'll need dedicated 3D tools to review them completely. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your SLDASM file, then choose Open With. You should start with Autodesk Fusion 360 if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. When your SLDASM file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, use SolidWorks. Open the file using SolidWorks, ensuring the version is equal to or newer than the one that created the assembly. Next, check for parts. Ensure all component part files, SLDPRT, referenced by the assembly are present in the same directory or accessible via the referenced path. Finally, use eDrawings Viewer. If you only need to view the assembly, install the free eDrawings Viewer from SolidWorks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.